Good afternoon, everybody. This is Austin Lang with josesignslobo, and these are 10 Spanish sentences relating to animals, los animales. I encourage you to pause each sentence and do your best to translate. This way, you'll get the most bang for your buck. At the end, there'll be some takeaway vocabulary, as well as some bonus words. Let's get started. Sentence number 1. The jaguar, with its spotted coat and muscular body, is a stealthy hunter that inhabits the dense tropical rainforest of Central and South America. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, el jaguar, con su pelaje moteado y cuerpo musculoso, es un cazador sigiloso que habita en las densas selvas tropicales de América Central y del Sur. Sentence number 2. Flamingos, known for their vibrant pink color, feed on small crustaceans in the saltwater lakes of South America. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, los flamencos, conocidos por su color rosado vibrante, se alimentan de pequeños crustáceos en los lagos de agua salada de América del Sur. Sentence number 3. The blue whale, the biggest animal on the planet, can reach up to 30 meters in length. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, la ballena azul, el animal más grande del planeta, puede alcanzar hasta 30 metros de longitud. Sentence number 4. The emperor penguin, with its distinctive black and yellow coat, is capable of surviving in the freezing temperatures of Antarctica thanks to its dense layer of fat. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, el pingüino emperador, con su distintivo pelaje negro y amarillo, es capaz de sobrevivir en las gélidas temperaturas de la Antártida gracias a su densa capa de grasa. Sentence number 5. The chameleon, famous for its capacity to change color, utilizes this ability to communicate and camouflage itself in its natural environment. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, el camaleón, famoso por su capacidad de cambiar de color, utiliza esta habilidad para comunicarse y camuflarse en su entorno natural. Sentence number 6. The giraffe, with its long neck and thin legs, has adapted itself to life in the African savanna, where it feeds on leaves of the tallest trees. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, la jirafa, con su largo cuello y patas esbeltas, se ha adaptado a la vida en las sabanas africanas donde se alimenta de las hojas de los árboles más altos. Sentence number 7. The dolphin, known for its intelligence and sociability, lives in groups called packs and is found in the warm and mild waters of all the oceans. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, el delfín, conocido por su inteligencia y sociabilidad, vive en grupos que se llaman manadas y se encuentra en aguas cálidas y templadas de todos los océanos. Sentence number 8. The gray wolf, with its thick coat and sharp sense of smell, moves in packs through the forest and mountains of North America and Eurasia. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, el lobo gris, con su pelaje espeso y su agudo sentido del olfato, se mueve en manadas por los bosques y montañas de América del Norte y Eurasia. Sentence number 9. The African elephant, the biggest land mammal, has big ears that help it regulate its temperature in the hot savannas. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, el elefante africano, el mamífero terrestre más grande, tiene orejas grandes que le ayudan a regular su temperatura en las calurosas sabanas. Sentence number 10. The rattlesnake, with its distinctive warning sound and powerful venom, finds itself in diverse regions of America, from deserts to forests. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, la serpiente de cascabel, con su distintivo sonido de advertencia y su veneno potente, se encuentra en diversas regiones de América, desde desiertos hasta bosques. Bonus sentence. The sea turtle, with its hard shell and fins, spends most of its life in the ocean where it feeds on seaweed and jellyfish. Pause the video and translate the sentence. And here we have, La tortuga marina, con su caparazón duro y sus aletas, pasa la mayor parte de su vida en el océano, donde se alimenta de algas y medusas. Here's some takeaway vocabulary, as well as some bonus words. Thanks for watching.